I gave an AI a single massive prompt: generate a comprehensive business plan and a full branding kit for a new startup. And this is what it created: a complete 28-slide professional pitch deck, a full branding kit with logos and social media banners, and a detailed summary of every deliverable. I didn't click anything else. I just gave it the goal, and it executed the entire project. This is Manus 1.5, and it's not just an AI assistant, it's an autonomous AI agent designed to act as your digital business partner. This is one of the most significant leaps I've seen in agentic AI. It's built to be faster, produce better quality work, and, most importantly, it features unlimited context. That means it can handle massive, complex tasks without forgetting your instructions. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what this is, walk through an incredible real-world demo of the AI building a business from scratch, and explore how you can use this to launch your own automated ventures. Let's get straight to the demo. This isn't a one-line prompt. This is a complete project brief. The user is asking the AI to generate a full business plan and branding kit for a new startup called ConnectSphere, a social networking platform for creative professionals. Look at the detail here. It specifies the exact 7 sections for the business plan, from the executive summary to a 3-year financial forecast. It also requests a complete branding kit, including a modern logo, a color palette, and social media banner templates for LinkedIn, X, and Instagram. This is a task that would normally take a team of analysts, designers, and strategists days, if not weeks, to complete. As soon as the user hits enter, Manus enters agent mode. It understands this is a complex multi-step task and immediately breaks it down. On the right, you can see Manus's computer come to life. It's not just pulling from its training data, it's performing live web searches to gather real, up-to-date information for the business plan. It's searching for professional networking platforms, creative industry market size 2025, and competitor data. It's browsing articles, analyzing market trends, and extracting key statistics. Look at this. It's synthesizing all that research into a structured markdown file called research_findings.md. It then moves on to competitor analysis, searching for comparisons between platforms like Behance and Dribble to understand their features and pricing. This is a fully autonomous research and analysis phase, building a solid foundation of data before it writes a single word of the final plan. This is a digital assembly line for knowledge work. With its research complete, Manus now begins the content generation phase. It uses the insights it just gathered to write the entire business plan, from market opportunity to financial projections. Then, it moves on to the creative work. It designs the logo, creates the color palette, and generates the social media banners for ConnectSphere. This is where the unlimited context is critical. It's holding the entire research document, the business plan, and the branding guidelines in its head simultaneously to ensure every asset is perfectly consistent. And here is the final output. First, the complete 28-slide professional slide deck, beautifully designed and filled with all the data from its research phase. It includes market analysis, target segments, a competitive landscape, and even detailed financial projections. But it didn't stop there. It also generated the entire branding kit, organized neatly into a folder. We have the official logo, an Instagram banner, a LinkedIn banner, and a Twitter banner, all consistent with the brand identity it created. This is an end-to-end project, from concept to completion, executed by one AI agent from one prompt, but it goes deeper. It's created a go-to-market strategy, financial projections showing a path to $128.5 million in revenue by year 3, a complete breakdown of the technology stack, and even multiple exit paths for investors. This is a venture capital ready document generated from scratch in minutes. But it didn't stop there. It also generated the entire branding kit, organized neatly into a single folder. It didn't just create one graphic, it generated perfectly formatted banners for every major social platform. Let's open them. Here's the Instagram post with the tagline, "Where Creative Minds Connect." Here's the LinkedIn banner with a more professional "Connect." Collaborate, create slogan, and the Twitter banner with the company's mission statement. All consistent, all on brand, and all ready to deploy. And of course, the core of the brand identity, the logo itself, clean, modern, and perfectly aligned with the startup's mission of connecting creative nodes. This is a complete end-to-end project, from research to strategy, from data to design, executed by one AI agent from one single prompt. So, how do you make money with this? You build a business on top of it. You can launch a startup in a box service that generates business plans and branding for new entrepreneurs. You can create a marketing agency that uses Manus to instantly produce campaign strategies and creative assets for clients. You can build and sell templates for any industry, from real estate to e-commerce. The barrier to creating complex, high-value digital products has just been completely demolished. This is the power I want to give you at Mike's AI Forge. I test these game-changing tools, show you exactly how to build these money-making workflows, and give you one-click access to deploy them. If you're ready to start building your own army of AI agents, I'm inviting you to join the Forge. Click the first link in the description to get free access to my platform and my entire library of curated tools. Thanks for forging with me today. If you got value from this video, subscribe to the channel. The AI revolution is here and we're going to build it together. I'll see you in the next one.